Alleluia, sing to Jesus. He's the scepter, he's the throne. Alleluia, he's the triumph, he's the victory alone. Hark the songs of peaceful Zion, thunder like a mighty flood. Jesus out of every nation has redeemed us by his blood. Alleluia, not as orphans are we left in sorrow now. Alleluia, he is near us, faith believes, nor questions how. Though the crowd from sight received him when the 40 days were o'er, shall our hearts forget his promise, I am with you evermore. Alleluia, bread of angels, you on earth, our food, our stay. Alleluia, hear the sinful flee to you from day to day. Intercessor, friend of sinners, earth's Redeemer, plead for me. Where the songs of all the sinless sweep across the crystal sea. Alleluia, King eternal, you the Lord of lords we own. Alleluia, born of Mary, earth your footstool, heaven your throne. You within the veil